Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet social media channels. Today we got Jim Hall, one of my favorite salespeople. He's going to show you how to turn on the Autosense tailgate lift for the Chevrolets. So Jim, go ahead and start telling us what we're doing.
So of course vehicle needs to be turned on. First at the home screen, just make sure you're there. Go into your settings. From settings, you'll want to go to your vehicle. From vehicle, this is where most of your functions are, but if you go to, you see comfort and convenience. Look for hands-free exterior storage access. That's available on most models with the auto liftgate. All you do is want to make sure it's turned on. Of course, we have ours on. If it's on off position, just make sure the green's on open only.
Okay, so everybody, thank you, Jim. I'm going to walk around here, guys, and show you how it works. You need to have the key with you. You need to be within 3 feet. You're going to get 4 warning dings on the vehicle here that it's going to work. 2, 3, and 4. Voila. You don't even have to do the little look for the sensor's foot kick at that point. And here you are. Doors open. Everything's working the way it's supposed to. So if you have any questions about how the Autosense tailgate lift works on Chevrolet products, please feel free to give us a call at 513-932-0303. My name is Michael Smith. I'm the Internet Director here. Jim Hall, my favorite salesperson, who is also part of my content creation team here. We'll answer any questions you have, or you can put a question in the comments section and we'll answer it as quickly as possible. Thank you, everybody, and have a great day.